Brent Verkus here with the Market Timing Academy, delivering you your weekly stock analysis. As you know, every week the Market Timing Academy highlights a stock that fits our investment strategy in an effort to help you, the individual investor, identify better opportunities and make some money in this crazy market. So this week we're going to take a look at a company called Netflix. Now you might know who they are, but Netflix is a company that changed the way that we are delivered the movies that we watch in the evenings, where you used to go to Best Buy and rent your movie and then invariably forget to take it back and pay those late fees. Well, Netflix allows you to go to the internet, preview the movie, and then select what movies you want to see. They deliver them to you through the mail in the next few days, and then you watch it and you stick the CD back in the envelope and send it back. No late fees. Great deal for the viewer, as well as a great deal for the company, because they have recurring revenues at that point. They're not charging you per movie, they're charging you a monthly fee, which is a great concept. Well, recently Netflix is changing the way that they're doing things, and they're focusing on streaming video. So rather than ordering your movie online and waiting for it to come in the mail, we all know we're immediate gratification people, so you preview the movie online, and then when you're ready to watch it, you just download it to whatever device you're going to watch the movie on. And so Netflix really has something interesting going on here. It fits that new concept that we look for at the Market Timing Academy. Let's take a look at its daily stock checkup using the Investor's Business Daily. This stock has a composite rating of 99, the highest that you can have. And a couple other things I just want to highlight here is the earnings per share rating is first in its class. Its relative strength rating is first in its class, and its SMR rating is second in its class. All very positive fundamental criteria. And then one more thing, the accumulation distribution rating is fourth in its class, but still very high. It's a good fundamental rating for the stock. And so now that the stock market has moved back into an uptrend, let's take a look at the stock chart for Netflix so we can figure out when we can buy this stock and hopefully make some money. All right, let's take a look at this chart. You've got a daily candlestick chart on Netflix with a 50-day moving average, a 200-day moving average, a volume indicator, and our MACD indicator. Now, what we're looking at here is back in February, this stock had a major breakout, as you can see through here, which triggered a very, very strong uptrend through this period of time. And now what we're looking for to trade this stock is we're looking at patterns of bases. And so right through this area, you're going to see what's called a double bottom base. So let's go ahead and drill in here and teach you what that is and how we might trade this from this point. So the double bottom base started right here. You found its first bottom bouncing off of the 50-day moving average, then a rally, and then a corresponding downturn that went below the 50-day moving average as well as below the first level of the bottom. That's one of the things that we look for, is the second leg of a double bottom base should bounce at a lower point than the lowest point of the first base. And so now let's take a look at when your buy point would hit. Your buy point hits when the stock crosses through the high point after the first bottom, which would be right in this area here. And so you had an opportunity to buy this stock back in, it looks like about August 10th, at roughly $125 a share. Now since then the stock has rolled back over through here, and we found it bouncing off of the 50-day moving average. That's a very strong sign. And so what we're looking at here is a stock that had a pullback. The reason it had its pullback is because the market has really candidly been garbage here recently. But as you know, if you follow our work, we just saw the market move into a confirmed uptrend. So now we can start looking for buy points. Well, one thing that you wanted to see was right here. You want to see this stock bounce off of the 50-day moving average, and most importantly, you want to see it happen on significant volume, which you got both of those in this case. And so now what we're looking at is a buy point here. The MACD has crossed. You can go ahead and add to this position right here, and technically your perfect buy point would be as it crosses through its previous high of roughly 140. But the fact of the matter is you've had a strong bounce off of this. If you want to keep your stops in tight, you can go ahead and buy this position right here. So this is Brent Verkus with your weekly stock analysis featuring Netflix. If you want more information on how the Market Timing Academy can help you trade this crazy market, go ahead and visit www.markettimingacademy.com.